Hello, this video is about wokwi online simulator for Arduino microcontroller. So first on Google you can type Arduino online simulator. You'll observe this wokwi website. So click on this link. This is the website of wokwi software or simulator. Here you can observe a different board. So we are interested in Arduino Uno. Click on this. You'll see the built-in projects, but we are not interested in this. We want to start from scratch. So go to this, start from scratch, and select this Arduino Uno. So just click on this. You'll get this window. This window is divided into two parts. On right side, you'll observe this Arduino kit, and on left side you can write a program. So to write a program, they will directly provide these two functions, void setup, where you can declare the pins of Arduino, which pin you can use as an input, which you can use as an output, like that. You can declare pin functions here, and in loop function you can write an actual program. And there are few buttons here to simulate the program. So I'll just copy paste the program. So here the program is to blink the LED which is internally connected in this board. So this LED is connected to pin number 13 of Arduino board, and will simulate the program to blink this particular LED. So this is the simple program, and this is introductory video how to simulate the program. So in this, in void setup function, the mode of this pin LED underscore built in, that means pin number 13 of Arduino, is selected as a output pin because LED is connected to this. And in loop function, we are writing this program. So first digital write LED built in high, that means we are sending logic 1 to this pin number 30, and the delay is called of 1000. Then we are sending logic low to this particular pin, and again the delay of 1000 is called. And since it is loop function, it will execute these instructions continuously. So after writing a program, just click on this simulation, start the simulation button. You can observe here the program is correct, otherwise it will show error, and it has started simulating program. Here you can observe LED is blinking. So depends upon a delay, you can observe its timing, blinking timing. You can change the delay and observe it. So this is how you can write any program and simulate here. You can externally connect devices like LCD or other sensors. Breadboard is also provided. That detail we'll discuss in next lecture. So you can stop the simulation using this stop simulation button. The simulation is stopped now. If you want to save this program on their website, you can click on the save and give any name to this program. Suppose I am giving name as LED1, and if you want you can keep it as a public or you can keep it as a unlisted. I am storing it as a public, so click on save. So your program is saved now, and you can share link of this program to your friend. So your friend also can open this link, and he or she can also simulate this program. So here you can copy link and send to anyone. So this is how this wokwi simulator is used to execute or simulate the Arduino programs. Thank you for watching this video.